is a 2x2. And this is also a 2x2. And this normal 2x2 is about this big compared to the bigger 2x2. Yeet! Oh, I missed. Yeet, try 2. Yeet! I missed again. Yeet, try 3. Yeet! Seriously? All you have to do to fix it is there. Fix. So, yeah. And this 2x2 doesn't turn very good. It breaks apart because that's one of the best points. You break it apart and you put it back together again. So, yeah, I'll just break it apart and put it back to end up break it apart here and then put it back together again. Does that magnet make any sense to you? Seriously. Yeet! 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 So, yeah, it's broken apart now. Now I gotta put it back together. So I just gotta find the piece with white on it first. There. Now I just gotta put them together correctly. These two whites also both have orange on them, so there we go. These two whites have also have red on them, so yep. And now we just put these two together. There. Now flip it over and push it away. Now we got these 4 pieces. So let's just get that one back here. These 2 pieces are green on them. So just there. Now just put these 2 together. Then there. So again. So yep. And this is what you expect with a normal 2x2. Yep. And what is this? And can you figure out how they join them together? Yeah. Yeah, yeet!